Hello Mango, welcome back to day 2 of our 30-day of purpose Pilates journey. Today we'll energize your body and lead your spirits with a dynamic flow designed to spark joy and motivation. So if you're ready, just roll your mat. Let's move together.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after.
Let's start by allow yourself to lie down on your back. We are going to start with the 100. So bend the knees into your chest. Take a deep inhalation through the nose and exhale. Arms up to the ceiling, press your shoulder blades down and heels together, toes apart. Lengthen your arms and curl your chest off the mat. See if you can reach your hands all the way forward and rotate your palms facing down. Push your leg to 60 degrees and start to inhale, pump your arm and exhale. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5 and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5 and few more. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5 and inhale again. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5 and couple more times with control. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4 more. Try to curl your chest up even higher. And anytime during this one, if you don't feel good on your neck, use your hand to support your head and switch to the opposite side. You can also bend the knees in if it's easier for you, especially if you are a beginner. Otherwise, just keep your legs straight. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5 and knees bend, head down. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply, shake your hips gently and bring your feet down. Rotate your head. Rotate back to the center and go to the opposite side. And come back to the center. Awesome. So now we are going to keep your arms along the body. Lengthen one leg up to the ceiling and your opposite leg down on the mat. Rotate the knees externally. Now we are going to inhale and exhale, bring your leg over and come back and over and come back. And 3 more times with control. Try to keep your hips stabilized. And 2 more. Make sure you go over to the opposite side. And last one. And switch your leg and do the same thing. And go over. And 4 more. And 3 more. And 2 more. Feel a little stretching on your legs. And last one, knees bend. Come back. Now we are going to bring your legs up to tabletop, heels together, toes apart. Now lengthen your leg to 45 degrees and switch and switch and switch and switch. Now if you want to make it more challenging, you can curl your head up and hug your hands on your leg and switch and switch and switch and switch and curl your chest up even higher. Very good. Now see if you can speed up a little bit. So switch and switch and switch and switch. And left and right and left and right. Try to curl up even higher. And 2 more. Last one, and knees bend. Head all the way down. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And 1 more deep breath. And exhale deeply. Very good. So we are going to keep your arms along the body. Now bend the knees, both heels together, toes apart. And you're going to push both of your legs out to 45 degrees. And come all the way back. And press out. And come all the way back. And press out again. And knees bend. You can always try to speed up now so that we can feel a little bit more intense here. Keep the hips stabilized. And bring all the energy into your body with a quicker pace. If you feel like it's easier to keep your torso stabilized by do lower speed, feel free to do that, because at the end it's just all about how we want to feel good for your whole day. And last one. And bend the knees in and hug your knees into your chest. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply to your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Alright, so we're gonna use your hand, support, stack your hands on top of each other and support your head with your hands. Open your elbows and try to curl your chest up even higher. Heels together, toes apart. And we'll do the same thing with the legs now. So push your legs out and come all the way in. Push out and come in. And push out and come in. And push out and come in. And try to go a little bit quicker. Out and in. And out and in. Keep breathing, guys. Do it at your own pace, actually. Very good. Stabilize the pelvic. Out and come back. And exhale. And inhale out, exhale in. Inhale out, exhale in. And 3 more. And 2 more. And last one. Head all the way down. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply. And exhale again. Very good. Keep your feet down on the mat. Arms up to the ceiling and over your head. And bring your hands up and along the body again. Alright, so we are going to lift the legs up. Lengthen your leg and the other leg to 45 degrees. And keep your arms along the body, scissor your leg. And switch, and switch, and switch, and switch, and switch, and switch. Very good, keep breathing, guys. And it's totally fine if you cannot straighten your leg all the way. And in that case, just move from your thighs, focus on your knees. Very good, keep breathing. And switch, and switch. Stabilize the hips. 3, and 2, and last one. And bend the knees into your chest. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply again. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath. And exhale. Wiggle your hips a little bit. Great. So we are going to stack your hands and bring your hands to support your head again and curl your head off the mat. So now we are going to lengthen both legs. Heels together, toes apart. Now curl your chest up even higher, press your lower back down, lower your legs down, and lift the legs up, and lower, and lift up, and lower, and lift up, and ups in. Keep breathing, guys, don't hold your breath. And 3 more, and 2 more, and last one, and come all the way back and head down. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply to your nose, and exhale deeply. Alright, so now we are going to lengthen your legs to 60 degrees, arms along the body again. Cross your legs and cross, and cross, and cross, and cross, and cross. Try to stabilize the hips the whole time. Just torso stabilize and pull the belly button in. And 5, and switch, and 4, and switch, and 3, and switch, and 2. Rotate your knee externally if you can. And bend the knees all the way in. Bring your feet down. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply, and exhale deeply. Alright, so now we are going to bring your feet down, keep the feet all the way center, and lengthen your right leg up to the ceiling. Lift the hips up, and lower the hips, and hips up. Keep your hips balanced, and come back. And 3 more, on the same side, 2 more. And last one. And switch to the opposite side. Lengthen your opposite leg up and lift and lower. And lift and come back. And 3 more. And 2. And last one. And come all the way back. Hands under your thigh, rock all the way to sitting position. Great. Alright, so now from here, we are going to do rolling like a ball. So bring your feet up, heels together, toes apart, your hands hug the ankles, open your elbows wide, round the spine, pull the belly button in and look into your belly button. Now try to keep the same distance between the knee, between the heels and the hips. Round the spine, rock down to the shoulders and rock up. And stabilize here. Don't lower your feet down all the way on the mat. Let's try to do it for 4 more times here. So inhale, rock down. Exhale, go up and stabilize. Try to keep the circle on your back the whole time. Pull the belly button all the way in. 3. And 2 more. And last one. and come back. Bring your feet down, lengthen your arms to the front, sit up tall. Open the chest, engage your abs. You can move your feet a bit forward if it's easier for you to sit tall and lengthen the spine. Now open your chest, your one arm to the left and your right arm to the right. And back to the center and open and come back. And to the other side and come back. And one more time each side. And bring your hands all the way down. Take a deep breath. Exhale deeply and exhale. Inhale again and exhale deeply. Awesome. Now straighten your legs and open your legs hip width apart. Arms to the front, shoulders down, round the spine, chin forward. And roll the spine in, pull the belly button in. You're gonna roll forward and you're gonna roll back and open the chest and sit up. And chin the chest and round the spine. Go all the way forward and come all the way back and lengthen. And 3 more. Round the spine, roll forward and come back. And 2 more. And come back. And last one. And come all the way back. Bring your hands behind your head. Shoulders down. Flex your toe, flex the ankle. So rotate. Open the chest, inhale. And exhale. And one more inhale. Exhale, rotate back to the center and go to the opposite side, do the same thing. So rotate, open the chest. You can bend the knees a little bit if it's easier for you. Inhale and exhale. And one more inhale. Exhale back to the center and bring your hands down. Wiggle your hips a little bit. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply to your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Awesome. So now lay down on your belly. Bring your hands next to your chest. Close the elbows. Inhale, keep your feet together. And inhale, press down to open the chest. And lower your torso. Now, before we do it again, just make sure that you pull the belly button in and up so that you can support your lower back. Feet together, inhale, lift up. And exhale, come back. Squeeze your butt. Doesn't have to be so far, just to the point that you feel good with your lower back. Inhale and lift. And exhale, come back. And press your hands down. Exhale, lower. And 5 more. Or you can just do it at your own pace. Use the breath. Inhale up, exhale down. And last one. That's great. And now we are going to open your leg to the side and lengthen your arms over your head. Bring your shoulder away from your ears, engage your abs. Lower your arms and lift the arms up. And lower the arms and lift the arms up. And one more time and lift up. And bring your hands down. Slide your hands back so that your shoulder away from the ears. Lengthen your neck and look down on the mat. Now squeeze your butt, engage your abs. Kick one leg up without moving any other part of your body. And kick the other leg up and come back. That's great. Kick one leg up and kick the other leg up. Now listen to your lower back, guys. You can go bring your forearms all the way down, lower your torso if it's easier for your lower back. Listen to your body, abs in and up. To the other side. And 3 more times with control. Press your arms down, press your hands down. It feel more stable for you. And last one. And last one to the other side. And bring your feet down. Great job. Alright, so now from here, we're going to rest your head down. Make a pillow on under your forehead. Rest your head down, shoulders down, and lengthen your legs. Lift the feet up. Beat your heels together, clap your heels together for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And one more time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now from here, keep your feet parallel and start to walk. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to lift up 1 more inch. Do the same thing for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And bring your feet all the way down. Great job. All right. So now we're going to lift both arms and legs up and start to do some swimming here. And 5 and 4, ups in and up. And 3 and 2 and 1. Lower your whole hands and legs down. Now the last one in this lower lay down on your belly series. Lift the arms up, lift the legs up, open your arms and your legs, and open your arms and your legs. If you have a small space at your house, you can just bend the elbows and come back, and bend the elbows and straight, and bend the elbow and straight. And 3 more, and 2 more, and last one. And bring your hands down, and take a deep breath. Inhale deeply to your nose, and exhale deeply. Come back to rest pose. Open your knees wide, round the spine to C-curve. Look to your belly button. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply to your nose again, and exhale deeply. Inhale again. Get all the energy, bring all the positivity into your day, and exhale deeply. And slowly come to sit up. All right, very good. So from here, we are going to open your legs as wide as you can, and flex your toe, flex the ankle. You're gonna bring your torso to the right and bring your torso to the left, and to the right again, and to the left. See, maybe you can try to go to the other side and reach your hands all the way towards the foot if it's available to you, and come all the way back. Go to the other side, take a deep breath, and exhale, come all the way back to the center. Bend the knees, keep your feet together, make the little claps with the knees. And 5 and 4, lengthen the spine, sit tall. 2 and 1, and cross your legs, rotate your wrist and reverse. Shake your hands. Make a little grippy just so that you can stretch and strengthen your fingers, which we don't do a lot in a daily life, so maybe it's helpful. Rotate the shoulders fully to 4 directions and reverse. Rotate the head around the neck fully to 4 directions, and 1 more circle, and opposite direction, and 1 more circle, and come back to the center. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply to your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth, and 1 more deep breath, and exhale deeply. And well done. You just prep yourself with full of positivity and energy, and please make sure to carry that energy and share it with others. Tomorrow we are focusing on relaxing and letting it go, and it's still gonna be a challenging Pilates session for you. So stay hydrated, and I want to see you tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Bye.